woyɛ medɔfo woyɛ ɔdehye mapa onyame nhyira wo sɛ wode wo TV Ghana TV wo nyina wode TV ato ba bia yɛ wo ade yɛ Adom TV dwumadie wo yɛ nkurahɛ dwumadie me am de ho chia me edi am megiso ɛyɛ nita ekotegu woni onyame entra no pay no onhwe wo so no nkenya abrabɔ na akwanside bi abrabɔ mu no onyimfiri wo yekoso a ebisa sɛ kwan bɛn so no abrabɔ bedi mu kwan bɛn so no abrabɔ bɛyi ene de me bra ade bi a betime de wo bra na ma me ni kan enna daache hene ase edine me de daache hene e din a hyenkran sɛ wo yɛ daache hene dia na wo suba no ne yɛ daache hene suban wotimi afra wo sɛ me yɛ daache hene na me so me yɛ daache hema esan sɛ onyame ɛbɔ wo no ɔyɛ hene mo hene nti ne banyina ɛyɛ adehye onyame nka ho. One thing you need to do quickly to make your life become better is to identify the things that are keeping you stuck. Identify the things that have become roadblocks. One will say, making, yana me peka ho asem ka. Na no na adiache. Best pake me ka. Me tra ka mo me de queen ka ne se menye so queen menye so. Afi na me wura ho me se ka yi pa. Nti na me ntimi nkwadwuma. Na me frɛ fitani bi. Eza ka na ka ne sa o. Fitani ba ya kwekwe se masa wo battery no aforo. Me se ye. Battery ketwa na aforo nti ka ne kase ntimi ntu. Ewa no be two battery o de battery for so. Twitwi na ka ne age so. In the same way, to improve and to change your life, you need to identify the things that are getting in the way of your change and your movement. Your neighbor high battery ewu abrabomu. Yes, say uyi for abrabomu. Your neighbor high battery ewu awadimu. Your neighbor high battery ewu apomudne ho. Your neighbor high battery ewu kwan fa so ye wadwuma. Yes, say uyi ufuru. Everyone may have their own reasons for feeling stuck. But regardless of the circumstances you are in life, there are common barriers we personally have created in our minds that have caused us to fail or to remain where we are. Your name be wa aye nyoma ewu. Yes, we yifra abramum. Number one, the things you focus your mind on. A day na wadwen daso anapawe na nyumre. I focus my mind on two things every morning. To be of use to God, to serve my fellow man. So my brother so be ban fa so ma urade na ma som onipa. E won kransha kwanso. We ana madwen eda so. Ye sika menya, enya abodi na magire. Se my brother so be ban fa so ama urade. Na empo ma som enipa ahye nipa nkran. We ni ma me anu amedwen ho na pawe na nyumre. Enti me ye bibia bibisa me ho se aso eso me wura ani ana. Onyame no yo me ama no. Ma me hwene ma me ani ma me ti ma me nsa na enai. God has invested in my life. As an investor, he requires some returns. Obi ani wa sabi, wo de ade hya ade mu a wo mpemfa so. Enu nti onyame edne ma hye me mu a, se me mama bra bo so ye mfa so de me wrade. Weni ne ma medwen ho kane, dwuma bra bo ho sa wate. Focus your mind on making sure that the investments God have made in you become profitable for him. Number two, we see anopa kwan ben so na mefa so ahye obi nkuran. Say obi a na brabo atoba ha. Say obi a odi awere ho na wade mu. Say obi a wono monsa ana onum de bone. Kwan ben so na mefa so ama na kwankire na brabo ewie payo. We na me ma brabo dan. Enti wo so no, what are you focused on? Because pesika, because di be me yani, because you say oba we eno na brabo dan mu oba bi dan kasa. What you focus on determines what you do. Focus on solutions and take your mind off problems. Mohadwene enna nyoma obeya edi enije bebre wo ni obi. Enye said that bia wo de wo bobo abrabo ho. You have the free will to choose what you want to focus on. But I pray that you focus on what is fair. You focus on what is good. You focus on what is true. You focus on what is pure. Focus on what is worthy. Focus on what is productive. And focus on what is mutually beneficial for you and others. Number two, focus on changing your life from where you are to a new place that you become great. Adeba kwa se utimi ehwe abrabom ne se me me fati mu pose kwan bia so no ma brabo enye se me na de da wona na toto aburo e won chense so a ka chon se wo de star be kan bo toto ho no aburo aye ade abetimi e de akama no ne if it is Ghana we are not changing because we are remaining where we are from 1949 until now kwan fa so do sa na fa so do kwan fa so ya manyosem sa na gusu ye no until we change the way we do things we cannot change the results of our lives. Therefore make a decision to change the way you do things from today. Change the way you engage everybody. Change the way you interpret your whys. Aden na brabon koye mame. Aden na mawade enyede. Aden na me yade bebrebe. Aden na madwuma me de mintimi nya akachuapa. Aden na yemo mabaso. Aden na wankasa semu yi nyoma ekọ abrabo mu a eya consider aye battery awu. Na mpo pe battery for na charge wa abrabo. Ebi ye okasa a woka. Ebi ye timopo a wofa. Ebi ye ne ya wo na adie. Ebi ye woni a wotie won ho afutuo. Sakramu na sakra battery eso abrabo so. Ebi negative thinking. Challenge your negative thoughts. Very often, when you are in every difficult circumstance, it is easy to think negatively. If you are in trouble, it is easy to think negatively. If life is faced with situations you don't want, it is easy to think negatively. But challenge the negative thoughts. Wahu nanu bi obi awura bi no wadwuma so mi de adwuma obi ampamasam. Obi amfame nya hwe na me so enye so obi ampawasam. Woni ye na amasabi wadwuma so obi ampawasam. What is the evidence I was obi ampawasam? Afo gina So you see, whenever you think negatively, look for the evidence. Is it true? Is it worth it? And change your scenario. There is always a positive aspect to negative happenings. Adebia esi wabrabo mo anya no, adepa bi wo mu na efe ensuro sa obetwa na montuo bi. Do not fear to change because you are going to fail. Don't fear to change because you think you make mistakes. Se na no ye e ma odi nkugu a ensuro sa we so be di nkugu ko so na ye. The more we nkugu no, the more we sua de. The more we am from so no, the more we sua de. One reason why people don't make changes in their life is that they are afraid people will laugh at them. Because you enye ye, you best me. Ebu a osi abrabo mu no, obi a hu se be we concert party ni. Nti wa anya concert a ye enye wo so. Enye da bia na be concert party. Se be enye da bia na be jimini. Enye da bia na be matimodin adware wo. Enye da bia na makro no na entro adware wo. Ya wa sakram kakra. Na so wa ye de nyansa ewo mu. Na wa ye nia eden no koro nanam. Na wa ye nia sabe eden puntio enam. Nyada bia na wo de obegina agopama so se wo de oyi concert amanfo nsere eye tere bi so a wo so ye nyansa sam kakra. When push comes to shove, many of us fear to try because of failure. But change is important to change the structure of your life. You need to change your thoughts. You need to change the way you think about you. You need to change your battery of life. Your battery of life Nioma e Kenya wo eno battery. On se me ka battery no ewu ye. E na fita ne kofa battery for no be 600 spark ye. Enti wo so car battery na ewu a e adwena wodwene. O car battery e wa tinka Kenya no. O car battery e suban oda na die. Se o suban ewu a wabrabo ewu. Se wa tinka atoba ha wabrabo atoba ha. Se wadwene ensi ya wabrabo ensi. Enti wo so anopa na wi a e na wasemu ehwe adwena wodwene. Adwempa nokure adwene dimu ade adwene sefata adwene anyansa wom adwene nkuranhyɛ adwene adwene be Kenya me papa yomu na Kenya watenka na watenka ade be hye nkuran amofa subampa adware wabrabo. We all can change our lives and create a new version of who we are if we create a new version of our thoughts. Onyame nka ho ate me da se oni me etona montuo we ne day enye nhira ma wo o ma me nikan enda me camera Thomas na pamfo ase na me nikan enda me producer da che hene ase me na Frank na camera fo nyina ase na me na MCR floor manager na lighting fo ase wa wo hwe me so me da ase wo ye me dofo wo ye odehie mapa onyame